friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix box today. I didn't open it again. Are you guys proud? Okay, I opened the tape, but that was just to save time. So, Stitch Fix, this time I saw this purse on the Shop My Looks option, and I really liked it. So I was hoping if I got it in my box, and if I liked everything else, maybe I could get a discount on it. So I asked for that, and then I asked her just to like look over my Pinterest. So if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, it's a subscription styling service. You can get it as often or as little as you like. Yeah, more below about Stitch Fix. And if you haven't tried it before and you'd like to, I'm going to put my referral code down below so you can get $25 towards your first fix. And if you do use that, I would get $25 as well, but no pressure. So, you guys, let's just break right into it. I really hope I'm like digging into it. Yay! Okay, look at it. That's my purse. I'm so excited. Okay, yay. Anyway, that's part of the bundle. Never gotten two bundles before. Ooh, look at that. I mean, this side's technically, I think, a little bit prettier, but, you know, with all those strappies there. Alright, let's take everything out. Throw the box aside. Where'd my light go? Hi! Yay! Okay, looks like some jeans. I think that's some, like, black jeans. That probably looks like a cardigan because I can see the button. And then, let me pull these out. Oh. Ooh. Looks like those are probably some shirts. It's a very tonal box, you guys. Look it. I'm sorry. I say look it a lot. Look at the tones of those. Like it's like a teal box. Yay, yay, yay! I'm so excited about the purse. I really hope I like it. Okay. We'll go over the prices later. Let's see. Again, I'm shooting this after I got home from work, so the sun's going down again. Alright. Sorry, I didn't fold it like origami style like I'm supposed to. Rachel! Happy fix day to you. How are you? I wasn't able to see a review on YouTube of your last fix before styling this one. That's okay. I apologize and I'm bummed. I will definitely watch it to make sure I don't miss anything. Drum roll. High-rise black skinny jeans. How is the price? Button-up denim is on trend, and these will take you from a casual day to an evening out. You have several blouses like the West Key pinned, so I'm going out on a limb and sending it, though it doesn't have stretch. If it doesn't have stretch, I might just have to size up, so we'll see. If you never want to see anything again without it, let me know. Layer with the Cotton Emporium cardigan on cold Michigan days. The Urban Expressions tote is super cute and perfect for work or running around, and the color is gorgeous. How do you like these pieces? I can't wait to see your unboxing, and I hope you love it. Take care, XO Kristen. Yay! Awesome. Okay, let's start with the purse. It's a tote, so we'll see. It's hard to tell on the Shop My Looks how big things are, but I mean it's a tote, so it's probably going to be a little big. Oh, see, that's not bad size. I'm a big purse girl. I don't have kids or anything, so there's no really need for me to be a big purse person. Look at all this plastic on here. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. I'm sorry. I'm going to take some of this plastic off so we can envision it better together. Alright, ready? Look at that pretty tote. It is the Urban Expressions Amherst multi-zip tote in teal green. Multi-zip is right. Look at all those zippers. Alright, I don't even know how to open this sucker. Alright. So, there's one big giant compartment, which is awesome. And it also has the zip pocket inside. And then it has some other pockets right here too. For like your phone and things like that. Yay! And then it has another pocket over here. And another pocket over here. You guys. I really like it. I super like it. Super duper. how cute that is. I really like the color. You guys, I have a new background. Did you notice? I'm trying to bring spring in. Anyway, yeah, that's really super cute. Good size. Tons of zippers. I like it. I like it. Sorry, I'm just playing with my new purse. Yeah. That was cute. See? Oh. Anyway, there's the purse. Alright. And here we have the clothing bundle. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's just rip into that. Here we go. Ripping away. Okay, so this is the one without stretch. I can already tell. No stretch. Okay. It's an extra large. We'll see. But that's really pretty. I really like the color. It has like little... They're not polka dots. They almost are like... Sorry my lighting's bad, you guys. I'm sorry. But it's like white and purple and kind of orange. Kind of spots there. And it's got this surplice where it crisscrosses in the front. It's like nice high-low. Here's the back. Can you see me through it? There's the front. So it is really pretty, and it would match my purse. Oh, this one's super soft. Did I read that one? No. It is the West Key Allan Surplice long sleeve blouse in navy. It's more like a teal to me though. And, whoops, pink clover. That's why it's so soft. Sorry. Pink clover, jolly v-neck, jolly v-neck button detail knit top in teal green. This is so soft. Look at those cute buttons there. I like that. It's super soft. That kind of has like a high-low as well. Super soft. That's a pretty color. I don't have a lot of things that color, so that's cool. And this is Cotton Emporium. Did I read the other one? I did. It's jolly. And you guys, that one is a exclusive. Next one is the Cotton Emporium Giselle button-down cardigan in gray. An extra large. Ooh, that's stretchy. So that's cute. It's got pockets. It has pockets! Very nice. So that's cute. I like the buttons. I don't think I have like any button cardigans. And last but not least are the jeans by Vigoss. Those look skinny. They look skinny. Yeah, I don't know if those are gonna fit. They have stretch, it says, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. It's Vigoss. The Vigoss Ace Skinny High-Rise Black Jean. But I do like the button front. I think that's nice. Alright. Let's get to trying them on. Trying them on. Trying them on. Okay, so. Oh, hang on. Camera. First we have the pink clover top, the cute buttons. I think that's adorable. What do you guys think? I really like the color. Super soft. A little front tuck there. Look how cute that is. I can wear that to work. I know I say that all the time. I work like every day. Not Saturday and Sunday, but I work every day, so I need to wear stuff to work if I buy something. That's cute. I really like the buttons. That cute button detail right there. So soft. Like the color. I like the V. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah. Okay, so these jeans, whew, this waist is too small. Too small. I tied this up so you can see. I really like the buttons. I like the buttons, if you can see. Let me angle you down. See how the lighting. We'll see. I like the buttons. I don't know if you can tell on camera because they're black. Oh, this waist though, man, it's just too small. It's too small. Otherwise it's super cute, like even tied up like this. I think that's super cute. But if anyone's interested in these jeans, I think they run a little small, honestly. But real pockets in the front, real pockets in the back. It's a good try, Kristen. But I think this brand just runs maybe a little small. I've never had Vigoss jeans, so I don't know. But it's a good try. Okay, so here is the one without any stretch. I think it fits okay. No, I think it kind of crisscrosses here a little bit weird because of my, you know, boobs. But I really like this style. I wish this would fit me because, like, I think it fits nice everywhere else, but it's just, you know, I need stretch, unfortunately. Because I really like the color. I really like the pattern. I like the high-low. I don't know. I think I would just be fussing with it all day. Yeah. Otherwise, it's really cute. Some of you guys need to, like, get this shirt because it's so cute. Here's the sleeves. They have, like, elastic right there, but they're really nice and loose, so it's not, like, super tight on your arms. But, oh, you guys, I like this one. That's too bad. Okay, and here we have the cardigan. I do like the cardigan. It has a nice knit to it, but I think it's too stretchy so that it's not going to like stay formed the way I want to. Does that make sense? So yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't know why it's so dark. Is it just because it's dark outside? My lighting sucks today. But yeah, I put on my own black jeans because those other jeans were going to kill me. So yeah. These are my own black jeans. Got them at Marshall's. I think they're Curve Appeal is the name, but yeah. So here's the cardigan. See how stretchy it is? And I just don't think it's going to keep its shape how I want it. Let's try to button it. And if I button it, do I look like Mr. Rogers? Love Mr. Rogers, but I don't know if I want to look like him. Yeah, I think my boobs are just too big for buttons. Again! Arrgh. That's weird. I'm sorry. Anywho, so yeah, here's the cardigan. So we'll take that off. This shirt's a Stitch Fix shirt. Got it. I don't even know. I got it like a long time ago. Let's grab my purse. As you hear the plastic crinkle. There's a size. I think that's a fine size. I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff that I shove in my purse. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. We're just gonna scooch that plastic off. Maybe it won't come off right away. We'll scooch it to the side so we can envision. Or not. Yeah, okay. I have so many things I can put in here. I like that. That's cute. Even for like an overnight kind of thing. Like that's a good size bag. Yeah, okay. So here's my new bag. I'm going to keep it. And let's go over prices. If you're new to my channel and you like these kind of videos, if you would hit the subscribe button, that would be super awesome. And if you want to hit that like button too, feel free. Oh man. Alright you guys, so let's go over prices. Dun dun dun! Okay, the Urban Expressions Amherst multi-zip tote in teal green, $68 for that tote. But I think that's a really nice purse. So I have credit to. Thank you people for signing up. Thank you Mikey. I can't remember who else right now, but thank you for signing up, and I hope you guys kept something from your fixes, because I love Stitch Fix. I hope you guys are liking it too. The West Key Allan Surplice long sleeve blouse in navy, 42. If that were stretchy, dude, I'd be all over it. So maybe, Kristen, if you could find me like a knit surplice top like that, I would like it. The Cotton Emporium Giselle button down cardigan in gray, 46. The Vigoss a skinny high-rise black jean is $68. That's good for Stitch Fix jeans. That's not a bad price point, Kristen. They just didn't fit. And then the Pink Clover Jolly V-neck button detail in teal green, 42. So I'm on the fence on that one. I do like it, but I don't know. I definitely think I'm going to keep the purse. So when they sent my invoice, I had $199, no wait. I don't know, I have credit. I had $173 in credit when they sent this. Or I don't know, I can't read. I had credit, so the subtotal is $266 for everything in the box. If I took 25% off, it'd be $199.50, and then after credit, it'd be $1.26 if I kept everything. Because I had that one referral for like 24 or 48 hours of $75, so a few people signed up on that. But I think I'm just going to keep the purse, so I'm going to use my credit towards that, I think, and send the other stuff back. I did buy something from the Shop My Looks that I ended up not liking. I'm going to send that back with it too. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video of the Shop My Looks things that I've kept, because I bought a few things from there. So I kind of want to do a video of those too. And then, what do you guys think about my YouTube name, Rachel Reviews? I'm kind of thinking I want to change it to something a little more generic, not generic, because, you know, I don't want to be generic, but general, because I don't do that many reviews. I do Stitch Fix, I do Ipsy. I've done a few vlogs. I'm going to put, I don't know where it pops up. I think over here. I'm going to put a little info button there about my last vlog that I did last Sunday. It was just kind of like a day in the life. I'll put some Ipsy ones up there too. But yeah, if it comes up over here, I'm sorry. I think it's going to come up here. Anyway, yeah, if you guys want to, you know, check out my other videos, feel free. Again, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, let me know what you think I should change my YouTube name to. Yeah, something with Rachel in it, obviously. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.